YouTubers, how's everybody doing? Today we got a 2000 Expedition and we got a problem. We can't get into the back hatch, and this is a pretty common thing that happens to a lot of SUVs, especially the Fords, the Explorers, the Expeditions. I can turn this handle to the right and this will open up all day long. But if I turn this to the left, this thing will not open. One of the rods have either come off or the cable is broken, so I'm going to show you how to get in the back of this and fix it. Alright, now the first step we got to do, we've got to crawl up in here and put the seat back. And we got to get up in here, and there's a couple of screws that we have to take out. This handle right here, these are Phillips screws. We've already taken one out, and I've got one more to take out. And once we take this handle out, we can actually pop this panel off back here and eventually get this door unlocked with the screwdriver and open this hatch up. But before that, we have to take this here off and get this out of the way. And there it is. Like I said, just two Phillips screws. And now what I'm going to do is get up here. And by the way, I'm shooting this on my cell phone. We got to go ahead and start pulling this panel off here. Now I'm going to put my gloves on and work this off so I don't get cut on any of this sharp plastic. And eventually we should be able to pull this panel back off. Now you'll have to wrestle around with it, but it eventually will come off. Okay, so we got the panel here pulled off and everything. Now the key here is you got to lift up a little bit because you got this piece right here that goes behind this latch. So if you force this over, this whole unit will come back. Then the last thing you have to do, we got a couple of these little guys here on the bottom we have to pull out. I advise to get you a nice long pair of needle nose like I got. And if I shine the light down here just right, I don't know if you can see this, but we'll go ahead and pull this last one out to our two down here. Put these out. And we can go ahead and pull this up, cover off. Should come off fairly easy. And there it is. And there is that one. It's in there pretty good. And now we can go ahead and pull this panel out. And it's a little fickle. It's a little tight in there, so I may have to put the camera back down again. But there we go. There it is. And it's out. And we'll set this off to the side. Over here like this. And there it is. And now we have access to the bottom of this lock. And what happens, there's two rods. There's a rod on this side, or a cable, and one on this side. And a lot of times these cables will break, so we'll just take a screwdriver and go ahead and trip this lock down here. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. It's a little dark. But once I trip this lock, I should be able to go ahead and open this up. So let me get my screwdriver. Alright, now, so I got my light here, and as you can see already, and there's my screwdriver. You can see the problem right now, this cable, they all break. And there's the problem, and you can see this little piece here has come off, so I'm going to have to replace the cable, see if I can find something. I know they make an adapter for this. I don't know. Auto parts stores are a little fickle about that stuff. It's not worth their time, so I may have to go on eBay and just order a cable. Now, to unlock this, we'll just take our screwdriver, and we'll push on this latch right here, sideways. Once I get it, there we go. There it's unlocked. And whoops, I may have to do it one more time and hold the camera here. There we go. My head, 1, 2, 3, and there we go. It's open. And that's how you unlock it. Let me get back out. And there's our issue. So that's how you fix it. You guys will have to hunt you up a cable and pull the plastic off, and you can get your hand up in there where that lock is. Find the other end of this cable, and you should be able to fix it. So there you go. There's your problem. Hopefully, if you have this issue, you should be able to fix it and all that. So having said that, thanks for watching, and until my next video, I'll see you guys later.